Golden Whispers, because Joshi inspires aspirations. Friends, this is a series of reflections that aspire to ignite your passions, broaden your horizons, and guide you towards a life filled with a purpose. So get ready to be uplifted and motivated every day with Golden Whispers, because Joshi inspires aspirations and cultivate a journey of personal growth together. ये श्रृंखला आपकी प्रेरणाओं को जगाती है और आपके उद्देश्यपूर्ण जीवन की ओर मार्गदर्शन कराती है. ये एक कोशिश है. This is an effort so as to improve on your self-development, on your self-confidence. So, today's topic is, friends, staying true to your goals. That is the minimum requirement, but the utmost requirement. So, staying true to your goals means committing to your aspirations and working consistently towards them, regardless of the obstacles and distractions. Hence I stated minimum and utmost, क्योंकि अगर ये concentration, focused approach नहीं है goals की तरफ और हमारी truthfulness नहीं है हमारी goals की तरफ, तो हम achieve नहीं कर पाएंगे. किसी ने कहा इसीलिए मैंने किया तो वो कभी नहीं होगा. आपको खुद को लगना है. So be true to your goals. So it involves aligning your actions and decisions with the goals you set. जो सेट किया है वो पहले आपने अंडरस्टैंड करके सेट करना है. आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है, अपने वीकनेसेस क्या है, आपके सर्कमस्टांसेस क्या है. All these you have to analyze and then set the goals and then be true to them so that you achieve them, so that you keep your focus on them, because it is the purpose for which you are walking towards your life. है ना, अपनी लाइफ उसी तरफ दिशा में लेके जा रहे हो. So this commitment requires clarity about what you want to achieve and the resilience to keep moving forward when faced with challenges. एक बार डिसीजन ले लिया कि मुझे ये अचीवमेंट चाहिए, तो कोई भी सेटबैक आए हमें उस पे मात करके we have to overcome that challenge and move towards our goals. That will be the truthfulness towards your goals. So staying true to your goals means remaining dedicated to your vision and adapting strategies when needed while never losing the sight. तो जब तक आप चल रहे हो, challenges तो कई आने वाले हैं. Because I already stated that you cannot be an exception. Life poses problems and challenges to everybody. बस हम उस पे मात कैसे करते हैं ये सवाल है. और ये तभी कर पाएंगे जब when you are focused towards your goals and you are true towards your goals. So staying to your goals is true to your goals is essential for long term success and fulfillment. ये necessity है. अचीवमेंट का अगर सक्सेस का अगर हैप्पीनेस होना है, लेना है, सेलिब्रेट करना है, तो you have to be focused. So also you should be truthful towards yourself and hence true to your goals. अपने आप को सच्चाई से अगर आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो तो आपका सक्सेस कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा, बिकॉज यू आर अवेयर what goals you have set. You are aware of your strengths, of your weaknesses, of your circumstances, of your probable problems. Everything you analyzed and then set the goal. अब ये जो गोल सेट किया है वो आपने अपने सक्सेस के लिए किया, अपने लाइफ के लिए किया है. सो यू शुड बी ट्रू टुवर्ड्स इट. और एक बार ये ट्रूथफुलनेस आ जाएगा, यू कैन नॉट get distracted from your path. So it will prevent you from getting sidetracked. है ना, कभी कभी हो जाता है, क्या कर रहे हो, ऐसा कैसे कर रहे हो, आ जाओ इधर घूमने चलते हैं. हम भी चल देते हैं, हमारा गोल भूल गए. हाँ, भूलना नहीं है, घूमने चले गए, बैक टू आवर पाथ. ओके, दैट वाज नेसेसिटी. ओ, आई कैन एग्री टू दैट. लेकिन वही उसी पाथ पे चल दिए तो अपना गोल सेट किया, देन इट इज said that you are not true to your goals. That is what I mean to say that by saying stay true to your goals. So ये temporary setback हो सकता है, temporary distraction हो सकता है. It should not be for long term. So the external influences might hinder your progress. Reframe your path. don't give up your path. That is what I mean to say by stay true to your goals. This commitment strengthens your sense of direction and helps you to make choices that support your overall aspirations. जो चाहते हो जिंदगी से, अपनी जिंदगी जिस दिशा में ले जाना चाहते हो, जैसे जीना चाहते हो, वो सारा सोच के आपने एक गोल बना दिया। अब उसी राह पे हमको चलना है कि उस गोल को अचीव करना है। कोई भी डिस्ट्रैक्शन आ जाए, we will not be succumbing to the distractions. We will be overcoming the challenges. That is what being true to your goals means. This focus will lead to greater sense of accomplishment and personal satisfaction. वही तो celebrate करोगे आप। एक बार एक goal achieve कर लिया, now you are happy that in spite of so many challenges, you have overcome them, and now you are successful to achieve that particular set goal. So now this will help you for your self development. It encourages continuous growth, the learning process. इसी में से तो आपने सीखते सीखते अपने गोल्स अचीव कर लिए। प्रॉब्लम आ गए, ओके, you founded the solution for your problems, the challenges, and you navigated your life through these challenges, through these problems successfully to reach your goal. तो इसी लाइन में, इसी दिशा में, इसी पाथ पर you were learning and improving on yourself. तो क्या कर रहे थे? आपका सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट हो रहा था, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ रहा था. That is what is necessary, and that could happen only because you are truthful towards your goals, you are dedicated towards your goals, you are focused on your goals. So this will naturally boost the self confidence. अब जब सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस से आप आगे बढ़ोगे तो नेचुरल है कि आप आगे बढ़ना चाहोगे, और दैट विल बी द प्रोसेस फॉरवर्ड. दिस डेडिकेशन will help you to build resilience. क्योंकि एक चैलेंज आ गया, ओके ठीक है, but now you have decided to overcome that. You have decided to overcome the challenges, to find the solution to the problem than harping on the problem. So you are preparing yourself to be resilient, to fight back to the challenges. So this commitment will ensure that you stay on the path, aligned on the path, focused on the goal, and hence maximizing your potential. In the process, you will be exploring more of your skills, जो आपको शायद ही पता नहीं होंगे. कई प्रॉब्लम्स आने के बाद आपको पता चला रही इस पे तो मैंने बात कर ली, तो ये स्किल डेवलपमेंट की प्रोसेस भी हो गई. That is how you are developing yourself. Hence, you are improving on yourself with confidence. That is, your confidence is also increasing. So embracing your goals wholeheartedly allows you to create a meaningful and satisfying life. अगर सक्सेस मिल गया, गोल जो सेट किए उसमें अगर आपको आनंद मिल गया, आपका जो अचीवमेंट था वो मिल गया, नाउ यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग दैट सक्सेस, सो यू आर हैविंग अ सैटिस्फाइड एंड फुलफिल्ड लाइफ. आपका स्ट्रेस कम हो गया है, यू आर इम्प्रूव्ड ऑन योर डेवलपमेंट, on taking on the challenges, to navigate your life through the challenges successfully. That is what you have reached on, because you have been truthful towards your set goals. You are being staying true to your goals. So friends, set the goals with full awareness of your strengths, of your weaknesses, of your circumstances, of probable problems, everything considering. Once you have set the goal, stay true towards your goals, because that will help you to improve on yourself, improve your self-confidence. I sign off on this note, friends, and we meet again in another episode of Golden Whispers, because which inspires aspirations. Till then, bye-bye. Enjoy the day, friends. Enjoy the life. It is a one-time activity. Do enjoy.